Ngayong nagdesisyon na si Chief Justice Renato Corona na tumestigo sa impeachment trial, ikwinento ng kanyang kampo kung ano ang nagtulak sa Chief Justice na gawin ito. Nag-alala naman daw ang pamilya ni Corona para sa kanyang kalusugan. May report si Tina Panganiban Perez.
To tell you the truth, we are quite disappointed. What has that got to do with the impeachment?
In our evaluation,
then that's your problem.
Nitong Lunes, makailang ulit na binara ng mga senador ang mga abogado ni Chief Justice Renato Corona.
Whether it was the intention or not, that was the result.
Naungkat din kamakailan ang umano'y listahan ng mga dollar account daw ng punong mahistrado. Ang mga ito raw ang nagtulak kay Corona na tumestigo na sa kanyang impeachment trial. Pero hindi raw naging madali ang kanyang pagdedesisyon.
I was not able to sleep last night because he prayed hard. Because apparently, he has been getting pressured again by the situation. When the Chief Justice, as I said earlier, learned about these new publicated bank documents, he was more than mad, fuming mad. In Tagalog, he said, "Sobra na to."
Sa kanilang pulong kahapon, ipinaalam daw ni Corona sa kanyang mga abogado ang kanyang desisyon. Kasama ng Chief Justice noon ang kanyang asawang si Cristina at anak na si Carla. Kwento ni Esguera, kinausap muna siya ni Corona bago kinausap ang kanyang pamilya sa isang pribadong kwarto. Napaiyak daw si Carla nang malaman ang desisyon ng ama. Baka raw kasi hindi kayanin ng puso nito ang matinding stress sa pagsalang sa witness stand.
I think it's out of pity for the father that the daughter Carla saw how determined the father is to actually shed light to all this. And CJ has had this bypass, heart bypass operation some time back. He is not really in the best of health because of he's taking constantly his medication.
Nag-aalala rin daw si Mrs. Corona sa kalusugan ng asawa.
The facial expression was one of concern, a grave concern, whether or not the Chief Justice will be able to withstand the rigors of the questioning.
Pero nananatili raw matatag ang Chief Justice.
Not really cry. He was very, very indignant about how unfair the accusations have been, how baseless these accusations have been. Between the Chief Justice and Mrs. Corona, mas mababaw ang luha ni Chief Justice.
Umaasa si Corona at ang kanyang mga abogado na sa kanyang pagsalang sa witness stand ay makukumbinsi ang mga senador na i-acquit siya. Paano kung ang maging hatol ng impeachment court ay hindi ang inaasam ni Corona?
Natanong na ba si Chief Justice kung handa ba siya for a conviction?
Yeah, that has been clear to him from the very beginning.
16 na boto ang kailangan para makonvict si Corona. Tina Panganiban Perez, GMA News.